Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Curlyzhedvlog, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this lavender keychain. Without further ado, let's begin. For this tutorial, I am going to use the Hobby Lobby I Love This Yarn acrylic, 4mm hook, scissors, and yarn needle. First step is to make a slip knot. And then chain 21. Next, insert the hook on the second chain from the hook. Make 1 double crochet. And chain 1. Then slip stitch on the same chain. And this is how we made the first petal. We only need to continue and repeat the pattern. On the next chain, make a slip stitch. Then chain 1. And then make 1 double crochet on the same chain. Then chain 1 again, and then slip stitch on the same chain. Now we already have 2 petals. We're going to continue this pattern until we reach the last chain. Again, slip stitch on the next chain, then chain 1, 1 double crochet, and then chain 1, then slip stitch on the same chain. After I finish the last petal, I'm going to cut the yarn and weave in all the excess. To make it more secure, I'm going to tie the yarn ends twice. Use a needle to hide the excess yarn. Then, secure the yarn by tying it twice. And now, for the leaves, we're going to make a slip knot, then chain 10. Next, we're going to start making half double crochet on the second chain from the hook. In total, make 5 half double crochet across. Next is make 4 single crochet. After that, chain 2, then slip stitch on the second chain from the hook. To make the other side of the leaf, insert the hook on the same chain and make single crochet. In total, make a 4 single crochet across. Next, make 5 half double crochet. Then, slip stitch and chain 1. Cut the yarn ends and leave a long tail. We're going to use this excess yarn to attach the leaves from the stem. Repeat the steps and make another leaf, but don't leave an excess yarn anymore. Use a needle to attach the green yarn. Next, make a loop, insert the hook, then chain 30. Next, attach the stem to the other flower. Now, use the long tail to attach the leaves. There you have it, guys. This is how it looks like after assembling the flower, the stem, and the leaves. I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell for more updates. See you on my next tutorial. Thank you and goodbye.